Yeah, guys, over there, let's see what I've done with the 20 pips challenge so far. Hi my friend, what is up? Kawan over here again. As always, I ask you guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, so each time I release a video you will be the first one to watch the video. In line with the so-called 20 pips challenge, that's the challenge I mainly go for at least 20 pips gain on the account, but I actually went beyond 20 pips and I'm gonna show you what I've done. So initially I think I had 450 pounds something over there, definitely below 500 back on Monday, but Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday so far. So till last night I could manage this. If I go to the account, I could manage to get it to 1507. So that was like, so forget about all these till this point. I was using the bot I used to use, but again for some reason bot hasn't been any good this week. Again, that's the thing about bots. But with you, manually, as long as you can put the time to monitor the market, you would have more chance to, obviously. And then you can control the lot size and all the parameters under your control versus bots. So unless you see some setting, you could adjust the setting. Rather than that, you cannot really control the bot. Yeah. So with that out of the way, guys, you see till this point. Yeah, this is kind of weird. Lot size, I know, till this point, but was on, but was kind of trading for me till this point. But from this point below, I started it, taking over. So I started with going with Euro JPY, and then I kind of lost it. So if I go to Euro JPY on 30th Euro JPY 30th, so I lost it here somewhere, so I don't remember. I mean, I don't have the trade still over here, otherwise I would have shown you. So somewhere over here I lost. So I think I went for, let's assume it was somewhere here. What I done was, so buying, probably I should have I should have gone for sell. Anyway, that's what I lost. But right after that, I started generating, I started gaining profit on this account, as you see, with lot sizes of 1 and Great British Pound CAD. That was I think Monday, yeah, Monday. So today, yeah, Tuesday, yesterday, third, and today fourth. Yeah, so that was Monday. Great British Pound CAD. So let's go to Great British Pound CAD, which is this one, and then let's see. Yeah, so based on the pattern I've learned, and then I loved it. So whenever you see kind of this curve upward, going upward, and then you see, okay, you see price is kind of breaking lines. Let's say if I come over here, you can see price is breaking this line, for example, and you see for a long time this has been the base of market, so a long time. So if I go days back ago, you see this being the lowest mark price dropped. For that, we're gonna assume this as our recent base of market. So we're gonna say, okay, price came all the way here, try to break through it, it couldn't, bounce back, try to break through it, really couldn't, keep it going, and then it started going upward, starting going up, and then as soon as kind of breached this point, I consider buying opportunities, and then I say, okay, this is the formula. So as we have this curve, price goes down, hit the base, try to break it. If it didn't break and then it started going up, that's the time we can consider this move, like bouncing back this curve. So in return, in kind of reverse, should say, you could look for buying of return. So that's where I placed this order with this risk reward ratio. Obviously it didn't hit all the way here, but price is reaching to that point anyway. So you see, reaches this, take profit, and this one going through. Yeah, anyway, so this made me, how much it made me, Great British Pound CAD, because I know I had it like I think I placed 2 trades. Let's go back. Great British Pound CAD, this one, Great British Pound CAD. No, just that one. So with one lot size, Great British Pound CAD, I could get 104 pound gain on the account, and then the other great one was Australian dollar CAD. So this was when I think I continuously and still I'm checking my MFX calendar. So what is going on with the trades and news, whichever has the high, I rather to not mess with. So that's how I found the best practice to stick to. Yeah, what was the other one? Australian dollar CAD. Australian dollar CAD. So if you go here, let's leave this one, Australian dollar CAD. So if I go here, Australian dollar CAD, if I can find it, yeah, should be here. Yeah. So back here, yeah, the same thing again. Price even came all the way, above that. Same technique, guys. So same technique we see for days. So if I go back, you see the days underneath. So for days and days, maybe weeks, we see this was the lowest, price dropped. So we see I couldn't really break through and then go below this point. So it came down, we have this curve, and price tend to go up, and then as breaks through this let's say point, what are we going to call it? We're going to call it resistance or support. In this case, I think so. It's going to break it, so it should be support. Then it becomes resistance, then becomes support, because it's going to help this to go even further up. So you see, even through this arrow saying price is going to go that way, which was the case. So price gone that way. So on this one also I had 2 take profit. One was this one. One was around 0.92141, and then the other one was 0.92248, which I should have gone for higher. So I bear in mind, if I again get to this pattern, I would go for as high as possible. Other thing is, I really don't want swing trading, like waiting for days, because let's imagine, so from here to there, that's 1 day, that's 2 days, that's almost 3 days. So you have to wait 3 days for catching, let's say how many pips from here to here. We're gonna wait 3 days to catch 120 pips, which is kind of tedious, really. Anyway, that's the way to go. Over here I got 50 in one, and then on the other one, how many pips I got over here? So 50 plus this one to here, 34. So altogether I got 85 pips on this pair, on whatever date that was. So Australian dollar CAD, you see 2 trades, one with 2 lots, one with 0.05 lot, and then on the 2 lots I got 415 pounds, and the other one I got 10. This is the profit I gained. And then on Great British Pound CAD, let's see, Great British Pound CAD again, on Great British Pound CAD. Is it here? Yeah. again, same thing applied over here. So I gain profit using the same thing again here. Price going up, we have the curve, price going up, so we look for buying opportunity. So over here, Great British can I got 324 pounds. Again, this is demo account. I wish it was real. Anyway, did we lost this one? I think we lost that one. Oh man, bad, very bad. Bad. We just lost some trade, haven't we? Let me check this one. No, we haven't lost it yet. I don't know, for some reason. Oh yeah, because broker would close it for you if it passes their whatever they say. That's the game, guys. So you're not gonna win all the time. Therefore, I win a lot. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8 trade I manually placed, I lost 2. This one, the last one, being the worst one. But again, this is demo, so I'm practicing, and everything is demo part of one, which is this one. Again, I don't mind it because I just little money in it anyway. Money generated from I'm going to show you that as well, from the bot I've been using. Yeah, and then I'm going through the trade, so it's a good reminder for myself what I've done. And on this one, yeah, I got that. And Great British Pound USD again. Go back to Great British Pound USD. Let's see, Great British Pound USD. So let's on this one, Great British Pound USD. Go up. Where is it? Oh, it's here. So I think they was on what day this was. Yeah, so if I go back here to see what day, probably Great British Pound USD. So both were on third, so I had 2 for sale, Great British Pound. So yeah, it was here probably. Yeah, 3rd of August. Yeah, so again, based on the technique, if I go to 1 hour, so we can see things more tight than what we see over here. So again, price action technique. When you see price is on an uptrend, and then let's see, we had let's say higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then we kind of drew a line, and then we saw at some point, if price was like, if the structure was broken, we're gonna consider selling. That's what I did at some point. So I said, okay, wherever we were around, as shown here, we were around here, and then here I entered a sell or short position, which I kind of got 33 pips over here, you see, and then my take profit was where most of price point touched kind of line. So I said, okay, I'm gonna align it with that, which actually hit it. So that was about that. And then I did it twice with different lot size, as you see over here, Great British Pound USD. So I had it one with 2 lots, one with 0.05 lots. So 159 plus 380 pounds was gained about that one. But the last one, which was the one today, I lost in 4 lot size. With 4 lot size, that's the wrong way to do things, guys. You're not gonna risk your account. because I gained 1,500 in 3 days, and then I lost whatever I lost. I lost 1,090 pounds just in like in what was it, like 2-3 minutes ago. That's why you shouldn't really risk that much. But it was just a great experiment for me. So I could have gone even higher because I was really, certain about these things. About this one as well, I think I messed up, because I'm so busy with doing, things, and then I wasn't really paying attention to what is going on with the chart. Otherwise, I should have gone, I think, instead of whatever that is, instead of buying, I should have gone for selling, because chart is saying me, it's telling me really to go short, but I gone, long. So you see, price is dropping. But I hope price would, drop to this point. Even I gone beyond and much below than this one. So the recent, price dropped. So I'm below that. If I do this, we will see if it's below that as well. So we're not gonna be stopped out. Slightly below it, you see, slightly below this one. So I'm hoping price will carry on toward here and then maybe break this structure. So over here I could gain some profit on one of the latest FTMO trial I'm doing again. So I've done so many FTMO trial, guys. But this one is at the moment is almost minus 2,000. So again, 13,000 in 2 days. And I'm hoping this goes back and then get into profit. I mean, going upward instead of carrying, going down and dropping. And then I chose 4 lot sizes, so we will see. Yeah, so the point I'm carry on doing, FTMO trial, free trial, because just want to get used to it. I'm gonna, be that confident. Really, just go ahead and then pay for the actual, FTMO challenge, and that get it from there. That's the reason I'm doing one after one. Yeah, that was the reason about that one. And if I go back to live account as well on this one, on my live account, so obviously partially going to be hidden, but if I go to account history, so I started this account using totally profit made by EA I'm using, or I used to use, because time to time you see some weeks, I'm gonna say some weeks, yeah, some weeks is amazing, but it's amazing. Some days is great, but some days it's just so crap. You don't want to use it anymore. That's it. So what I've decided a few weeks ago, so I said I'm gonna have it running, for me as well, while I carry on, improving my skills, doing what I should be doing, which is manual trading. And then I've been partially successful, as you see, guys, but again, losses are part of the game, so you're not going to win all the time, especially if you're really like me. You're going to end up, losing a lot. So imagine I gained 1,500 in 3 days, then I lost 1,090, as you saw today. But this one is live, so this is live. I'm using, so if I go back, live, so I'm using the profit made by but so actually that was 27, so I transferred 27 over here, but from that point onwards I started gaining 90p, 5.75, 7.63, 4 pound, 2 pound, 2 pound. And earlier today, from the account which but messed up, I could get 35 pound transfer to this account, so I carry on trading manually myself. And yeah, same trades, but much lower than 10-year, lot sizes. Exactly same trades. So whatever I place on the FTMO and the other demo account, I exactly place the same thing on this live account as well. So I'm not gonna go through the trades, but I'm showing you what is going on. The C at the moment is minus 9 pounds anyway, but I believe it was 27, and then 2-3 days I reached it to 48 pounds. So that's like almost 100% gain. Yeah, honestly, trading manually is great if you know what you're doing. So imagine like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With 6 trades, I kind of gained 100%, 100% on my balance. But again, this is not really wise. Like that's 5%, that's 3%. Maximum you should stick is 2%. Everybody says, including myself. But again, that's gonna take you longer to see significant growth on your account balance. That's the thing. So I'm gonna deal with all this stuff, guys. Yeah, that was about this, guys. Showing you what I learned, and then seeing my own improvement over time, because that's a game. You have to practice and practice and practice. If you really want to be great in something, you have to dedicate your time yourself and then practice it to the level you just say, okay, without drawing anything, just see it and then place it. That's it. That's what I'm gonna build up. If you notice, I'm not using, let's say, this. I've got some indicator got from some YouTuber guys from YouTube. But this is like confusing, so I'd rather to just not use it. I'm not going to use this. Instead, just go purely with price action. I'm not really using this as well. I'm not really paying attention to this because it's been proven like time to time. I'm gonna rely on this. I'm gonna say, okay, in 1 hour time frame, it's saying to me it's hidden bullish, meaning price would go to this level. Okay. And I don't know, but you shouldn't rely on indicators. More, you should rely on price action. What charts tell you, the pattern tell you. That's what I found, guys. So if you think a guy with 6 winning trades in row, 6 or 7, what was it anyway, knows almost what he's saying. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could manage to win 6 trades in a row. So if you're saying, would I know something about trading? Then I'm suggesting you guys learn price action. Price action is the king, and then they say is king, and then I do believe is king. It's gonna change your life, because if it's gonna change your trading skills, it's gonna change your finance, it's gonna change your life. Simple as that. Price action. I love price action. Please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell, and then I will see you next one. Bye.